guys, what's up? It's me, Mjfangirl, and I'm here with a Michael Jackson Market subscription box, you guys. It's been a while, but I'm back to show you guys this subscription box. I thought it'd be cool to do an unboxing. It's been a while since I've done a video in this setup, so I wanted to come back to it really quickly because, yeah, I missed my little posters and my Michael Jackson vibe back here. I'm actually really excited to be showing this to you guys because I feel like I haven't done a collector's / merchandise video in quite a while. I'm actually rocking a Moonwalker shirt, which is also from Michael Jackson Market. So yeah, stay tuned. You don't want to miss it. This is going to be a Dangerous album era themed unboxing of the Michael Jackson Market subscription box. You are now watching Mjfangirl TV.
Girl, you got to and touch the sky and
Alright, you guys, so just a little bit of an introduction to Michael Jackson Market. If you did not know, Michael Jackson Market was founded by two fan friends, one based in the United Kingdom and one based in the United States, and they actually came together to create a market of sorts for the Michael Jackson fan and collector. And they actually sell rare and hard to find items, as well as some current merchandise as well, current items that you can find in other stores, as well as they also purchase from people that are trying to get rid of their collection. And they basically sell all the stuff that we would be going multiple different places, eBay, Poshmark, whatever, for, and they've kind of like consolidated it to their one store, which is great because it's like a one-stop shop. And then I really think what the cool thing about MJ Market is they started this subscription box. I believe it was 2 years ago now they started this, and it's been wildly successful. They are actually doing 6 boxes this year, and this is perfect for the fan that is just starting their collection or has a collection and really doesn't even know what else to look for, because again, like, Michael Jackson had such an illustrious career that sometimes it's hard to know, like, what do you even want to get? So I am excited to bring this to you guys. I've gotten a couple boxes in the past. The boxes always contain items sourced from all over the world. That's what I forgot to mention earlier. They are both in different parts of the world and have connections to everywhere. So I've gotten like really cool magazines from Japan from there. I've gotten tour like tickets, just like really cool stuff, posters. So I'm excited to see what's in this box. So yeah, let's take a look. I see, well, I'm gonna save that for later, but I see one of my favorite parts of Michael Jackson collecting, which is the t-shirt. This is the Dangerous shirt. I love this. Look at this. This is so cool. I love this. This is really nice. You actually have a choice. They usually have like 3 or 4 options. I think this month they have 3 options. So you can get this Dangerous logo in this grayscale, and they have some other options as well. So I'm gonna put all the information at the bottom of the screen, as well as I'm gonna let you guys know right now, if you guys want to get this and you don't even want to sit through the rest of the video, use my code MJFangirl. Go to michaeljacksonmarket.com, or I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below so you can just click it, and when you check out, you'll just put in code MJFangirl, so you can get a discount off of your first box. Another custom design, which is really cool, matching with the shirt. This is a Dangerous cup, and this is super fun. I'm totally like putting this in my cabinet. We're gonna be using that in my house because we're all Michael Jackson fans here, and we're raising a maybe Michael Jackson fan. I'm gonna put it out in the universe. This is cool. Let's see what this is. Obviously wrapped up, looks like it could be a poster. Who else loves, ooh, 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 this might have to go on the wall. This might have, you guys, oh, Dangerous tour? Like, what? This gave me the chills right now, and I don't even know why. I think it's just because I love this tour so much and I grew up on it. Like, shout out to you if you grew up on Dangerous Tour Live in Bucharest like me. Funny story, when I was in, like, from the time that I was a young child all the way up until like middle school, high school, I used to stay with my grandparents often. Like, a lot of the weekends we spent over there. And I remember my dad had the HBO special, Dangerous Live Tour in Bucharest, taped from HBO. So it has like the countdown. You know, in the beginning they have like that hype reel countdown for like the 20 or 30 minutes before the show. Plus it had the show. And I think it's actually different than the DVD version that came out years later. So I'm just like, but I'm like geeked out every time I see something Dangerous Tour related. Also, I wanted to point out that the Dangerous Tour, first time it came out on DVD, now I'm remembering, was the Ultimate Collection, which was also like mind-blowing. Like, if you guys, like, that tour was just everything to me. So I might have to redo my wall. I need to anyway, because it's needs a overhaul. But anyway, oh, this is cool. This is fun. My daughter's gonna play with this. She's gonna love that. Look, it's like a little stress ball. Hold on. You squeeze it. Okay, now we're getting into the goods. The goods. In the Closet 7-inch edit. Oh, this is nice. And then the In the Closet Mission radio edit. Oh, this is cool. And this is something that I like didn't even know existed. I'm not even gonna lie and say I'm not very good with like knowing like the 45s and all the different singles and the remixes. This is cool. Dang, it's like brand new. It's still got like that, you know, like when you have the paper or the cardboard or whatever when you first take something out. This is like brand new. Take a look at this. This is so cool. Great condition. I've never been sent a vinyl that's not in good condition by them. They sent me my Thriller picture disc vinyl as well. But this is what the album looks like. It's a 45. And I also wanted to point out that everything is custom made. I'll say this, it's randomized. So like, if you purchase this box, which you totally should purchase this box this month if you love the Dangerous era or if you love Michael Jackson and you're new to collecting for sure. But if you love the Dangerous era, definitely you need this box. You're not going to get the same stuff as me. Like, some of us will get the same stuff, some of us won't, which is also, like, pretty fun. Oh, let me put my little tag back. See, I'm bad with, like, keeping stuff all nice and neat, but I will also say that they package the stuff pretty nicely, too. Like, they'll give you, like, plastic sleeves and stuff. You guys, if you guys have seen my old school videos with my collection, you know that my collection is not in any state where it can be, like, shared like in any type of museum setting, because I don't have my stuff in display cases, and that's what I need. Shout out to the people who have their collections in nice display cases and they don't get dusty or messed up. Give me some advice. Hopefully we'll be staying here for a couple more years, but in our next home, definitely, for sure in our forever home, but definitely in my next home, I want to make sure that my Michael Jackson collection is protected more than it has been in the last 25 years. So, on to the next item. Oh, this is cool. Heal Los Angeles Foundation. I think this is like one of those things that you put in the car, like the fragrance. So I might take that in my car. Actually, I will take that in my car. I'm gonna put that on the side. Very cool. Oh, this is neat. Heal the World. If you guys can see that there. Hopefully that's showing you guys that clearly. Oh, a little first aid kit. It has like bacitracin. Let's see what it has in it. Oh, cool. It has like little instructions for what to do. Burns, fractures, insect bites, poisoning, shock. And then it has little antibiotic ointment and then like some cleaning towelettes and some bandages. Hey, we can always use a first aid kit, and this will be my go-to. And I just love how they use these logos, like very, very nice. Reminiscent of Michael's Heal the World Foundation. That was, I think, his logo. Local crew. Ooh, let me see. And they've got it all packaged all nice. It makes me like not even want to take it out. Is it just me, or did you also like watch those concerts and also like wish you were there and want like the crew sweatshirt and this? Oh my gosh, I'm getting I get the chills, which is weird, but like you can tell that this is like an old sticker. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if you could see, but you see? I don't know if you could tell, but it's like yellowed. Like, imagine being a part of that. That would have been so cool. But yeah, I love this. Yeah, I definitely need a different way to like show my collection and stuff, because I also want to make it a part of the videos and stuff, and I haven't been able to do that just because of the way everything's situated. What is this? Heal the World balloon? What? I'm gonna have to do like some close-ups of this stuff if it's not gonna focus, but this is so interesting. Comment down below if you know what this might have been from. I don't know if this is something that they created. It has to be something they created, right? It can't be just like something that like has been existing since the 90s. If it is, good on this. I don't know what that would have been for though, but I love how the boxes are not just focused on the music only, it's focused on like the whole era. So you've got like the Heal the World charity stuff. You've got the, excuse me, you've got the Dangerous Tour stuff. You've got another amazing photo. That's another thing. Ooh, two pictures? What? Look at this. Classic. And another classic. Like, you guys, MJ Market is, like, they know, I feel like, what fans would love. And they're just so good at it because they are fans, you know? Like, I love this. I'm gonna sit this right here. Can you guys see? Okay, just a couple more items. The MJ Market sticker, which I have on my laptop. A pen. I always use these pens at work and at my desk and stuff. Oh, nice. Oh my gosh, you guys, look. I think this is like, oh my gosh, look, you guys. Heal the World lanyard. I like really want to use this for my keys. Hopefully you guys can see that and it's not blurry. Oh, it's like, oh, this looks like it's like the, I don't know how do you say it. How do you say it? It's like, you know when you take a picture and it's like the image of the picture? I'm trying to find a way that I could show it to you guys without. Okay, so you have this. It's like a photo negative, 35th Grammy Awards Shrine Auditorium. This is an original photo from that night, which is also neat. Then we have the cassette single of Who Is It? And it has the, oh, interesting, 7-inch edit. And then the Oprah Winfrey special intro. What is that? Oprah Winfrey special intro. Let me know if you guys know about that, because I certainly have never heard it. Again, this is another reason why. Like, I would have never thought to look online for that. So I'm glad I got that sent to me. And then 2 buttons. This is an original. Very cool. Little t-shirt button. And then this is another cool one in the closet. Sorry, I keep looking at the camera just because I'm trying to see if you guys can actually see. Another in the closet button. And then last but not least, we have this magazine, which, Rocket Man. Yeah, Rocket Man. It says JCC on the cover. Come together, the Jacksons Collectors Magazine. What? In the closet, latest news, views, and gossip. Oh, this is so cool to look at this stuff. Look, more to come. As Heal the World melts the charts for Christmas, what we can expect from Michael in the new year. Given to Me is due for release in February. Dangerous at a later date, and possible single release of Gone Too Soon, as a video has already been made featuring Michael and Ryan White. You can also expect Will You Be There. Imagine like just being in that era and looking forward to those things. I'm just looking at this. They have like some competitions here. Dangerous Diary. It's kind of like a timeline of events. What Michael was doing during this time. Wow, it even has like June 23rd, Michael flew into Heathrow Airport. June 27th, the opening night of the Dangerous Tour. Like it's talking about like the press run and stuff of the tour. The tour dates. Okay, so I'm gonna take my time and read this because obviously I'm super interested in it. Oh, look at this, like the Hall of Fame. This is featuring a fan. Come together. Wow, look at this. Okay, so you guys want to know how people made friends back in the day? We had pen pals. Not only just pen pals, but well, I know a lot of us were like legit pen pals. I had a couple Michael Jackson pen pals. I'm not remembering like who it was. Yeah, I had a couple. Actually, I know who they are. Shout out to you guys if you guys are watching the video. But a couple of them, but I was mostly like in the AOL chat room and on forums. And that's where, yeah, the forum was where I met a lot of friends. And then the AOL chat room was where I met my husband. Michael Jackson AOL chat room. But here, this is so cool. People are leaving like their address. Julie Pope. Hi, my name is Julie Pope and I'm totally in love with Michael Jackson. So if you are too, get writing to me as I'll reply to anyone, anywhere. And it literally has her address. Age 19. I'm desperately seeking new pen pal swappers from all around the world. Everyone's welcome, but especially over 17. Someone said, it doesn't matter if you're a girl or boy. If you're a girl, you can be any age you like. If you're a boy, you must look like Mike. That is too funny. Anyway, I had a blast reviewing this box. A lot of great items in here. Again, if you guys are interested in getting a Michael Jackson subscription box of your own, you can check out michaeljacksonmarket.com. Use my code Mjfangirl for a discount on your box. They actually have 6 boxes this year, so I believe it's gonna be every 2 months they're gonna have a new box. Hey you guys, what's up? It's future MJ Fangirl here. I just wanted to come on because I actually had an update from MJ Market. These boxes are not just available this month. They're actually gonna be on whatever you want. So for example, I'm going to read you the schedule for this year. So the Moonwalker box is now on sale. Blood on the Dance Floor is now on sale. The Dangerous one that we just reviewed is now on sale. Invincible will be coming out in May. History will be coming out in July. Thriller will be coming out in September, and Bad will be coming out in November. But once they're on, they're going to be available for the rest of the year, as far as I know. So I'm really excited about that. So one last thing, if you place an order of $50 or more this month on MJ Market, you actually get one of those Jam basketballs for free. So whatever you get from MJ Market, you get one of those for free, whether it's a subscription box or not. So anyway, I will get back to past MJ Fangirl. Different themes that have already been pre-decided. So if you have a fan friend that you're looking to purchase for, if you are a fan who is looking to say, hey, gift idea, definitely make sure that you're sending people to michaeljacksonmarket.com, because not only do they have the subscription box, but they have other stuff too. Thank you guys again for watching. Let me know if you guys had a favorite item out of this Dangerous Era collector's box from Michael Jackson Market. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon.